That is actually his. Why aren't you doing anything, Mom? Guys, that's enough. All right. Yeah, that's actually, I just learned that right now. This is what I love about the farm life, is we live and we learn every day, and there's a whole lot of communication going on with the animals. Just like with spirit, we have to learn how to decipher it all. And now I know what that call means. I got your back, buddy. You two? You're coming with me. No. You're coming with me for a few minutes until you all can settle down, find your place in space. Okay. That's just silliness. That's silliness. You're going to end up just dying from like a heart attack. You can't do that, okay? You can't do it. Look, you're so tiny. You think you're so big. You're so tiny. Gosh, guys. Why didn't any of you girls step in? Why? You were just going to watch them, like, fight till the end? Like, you don't care? Green Legs cared. He's just tired. All right, go on, PJ. There you go, okay? And look, I'm gonna get you some fresh hay too, okay? There you go. Okay, there you go, guys. Woo! Almost just fell over backwards. All right, settle down. Love you guys. Good night. Work it out, okay? Come on.